Hello everyone, this is Yatharth Chauhan, GitHub Foundations Certified and 12x Microsoft Azure Certified. Now, how you become GitHub Certified and how you can get a free exam voucher. Interesting, am I right? Yes. Now, are you wondering about how I passed the exam, how was my experience, and how much it takes time to clear the exam? Right? So don't worry. We are going to discussing out one by one in upcoming videos, and right now I am going to schedule your exam and how you get free exam voucher coupon and how you can schedule it in a free. Okay. Now you can see right now currently portal in which I recently certified GitHub Foundations provided by GitHub. Right now, before delay, we are going to schedule the exam. Go to the browser and type GitHub Foundations Certification. Okay. Now, highlight your expertise with GitHub certification. Just click on the link. Now, before register yourself, you must have a GitHub account. If you don't have, just create one with your personal ID on github.com. Okay? After creating the account, you need to register yourself. So for that, just click on the register here. Now, after login into the GitHub certification, the portal is open about the details, especially GitHub Actions, GitHub Administration, the third one about GitHub Advanced Security, and fourth one GitHub Foundations, which you need to guys first schedule and pass the exam if you are going to pass the 3 more advanced level certificates. Okay, so for that, just click on the GitHub Foundations. I can't able to again schedule my exam, right? So for demo purpose, I am going to schedule the exam of GitHub Administration, right? So just click on the exam link in which you are going to schedule. Okay. Now, after click on the link, you get the information about the certification, what is the skills which you must have before sitting down into the exam center. Okay, scroll down and you can find out the costing of the exam. Right now this is the 99 US dollar. This is the same for all exams, but don't worry guys, I am going to provide you the free exam certification voucher. So for that, you need to just join our community, Yatri Cloud, in Telegram. Okay, so just go to the description and join our Yatri Cloud channel, in which we are going to providing you free exam certification voucher. Okay, so after getting the voucher, what you need to do, you need to schedule your exam. So just click on the button, schedule exam. Right? Now, you need to filling out your basic details with your name, address, and make sure your details must be along with your government ID. It would be driving license, it would be Aadhaar card and other documents. Okay. So after filling out each and every details, you need to go to the next step, the scheduled exam. Okay. Now, after click on the schedule exam, you are going to redirect into the test portal of the GitHub, right? And this is powered by PSI, the testing software, in which you can see the two options: view available test and view my test, right? To schedule your exam, you need to click on the view available test. Okay. What if you have any question? Then just click on the FAQs and read out the description which you must be aware. Okay. If you wanna go to the instruction, then you have a two options, online or offline. Okay. So just go through at least once before sitting down into exam center. Okay. And back to our overview. Click on the available test. Now you can see you are eligible to take the following test. In your case, you can see the GitHub Foundations Certification. Okay, I already passed the exam, so that's why I can't able to again schedule the exam. So for that, you can see right now the GitHub Administration Certification. Okay, so just click on the certification. Okay, now you need to reading out each and every instruction about the exam. Okay, rules and regulations which you must be following during your exam. Okay, so this is very crucial part of your exam. So must be aware about the regulation which you need to take. Okay guys, now to schedule your exam, you need to booking your time slot. Okay, for that you can see the total price $99. Okay, so don't worry, we are providing the voucher. Okay, the voucher code is applicable into the next last page. Okay, so just wait, click on the booking. Okay, now select your preference, online or on-site. Okay, if you have a good internet connectivity, if you have a good Wi-Fi, then yeah, you can go to online test. Okay, so if you have that around your on-site center, you can also select it. Okay, right now I'm going with online test. Go to the continue booking. Okay, now you can see the basic information. Just check it out once again, is it correct or not. Okay, after checking out each and every details, go to the continue booking. Now select your time zone and country. Okay, must take care about the time zone before going to find out your time slot. Okay, so Indian standard time zone, just find out. Now okay, 19 June, suppose I want to give exam, then here is the time slot availability of 19 June. Okay, if 20, then there are multiple slots in which you can pick up, right? Suppose I want to select the 12:30. Okay, just click on the time and book the slot. Done. Now this is our last page in which you need to apply the coupon code which we are going to providing you in our Telegram channel. So just join the channel and we are providing you each and every instruction about the coupon code, about the guide, how you are going to schedule your exam, how you are going to prepare the exam, how you are going to prepare and how you are going to showcase your skills into the live project. Each and everything about GitHub, cloud and DevOps and many more. Right? So this is our last step in which you need to enter your coupon. After entering the coupon, okay, just click on the continue. That's it. Right? After clicking on the continue, you will be get a confirmation about the booking status. Fine. So just confirm it once. If you have any query regarding your certification, just go to the reaching out the PSI team. Okay, and if you have any technical issue on exam side, right? So this is the basic guide how you are going to schedule your exam and how you can get it into free, right? So I also prepare one documentation of Microsoft and GitHub. Now, how to schedule a GitHub certification exam? I prepare one documentation in which you can find out the steps. Okay, this already rolling out into our Telegram channel. Okay, so just join us and have a best of luck and give your best, and hope you will be also get a GitHub certified. And that's it from my side as of now, and see you soon into the next video. Okay, so bye bye guys.